The taller the fewer, but also what goes in is not what comes out. As water flows up and fruits appear made from sunshine and earth, and they say trees are mostly made from carbon, which is the air that they breathe. Carbon dioxide, that's what we breathe out, and we breathe in oxygen that they give out in the day, and that's a wonderful symbiosis that's been there from the start. So we really need to trust plants, because they're providing us food and shelter. Yeah, they're our friends. So you can hug trees, or you can plant trees, and you can think like a tree, which is feeling. But of course we're a lot different. We can do yoga and stuff as well, but we're like moving trees. But it's good to get flexible and learn your own body, because that's also important.